Friends, in this video we are going to learn how to check capacitor with electrical power supply and also learn capacitor testing with multimeter and also learn how to check dual capacitor with multimeter. As we know, in dual capacitor we have total 3 terminal. So in this video we will learn all type of capacitor testing. So let's start video. You can see we have all type of capacitor here. First we check capacitor with electrical power supply. After that we learn how to check capacitor with multimeter. Okay, you can see we have one dual capacitor. In dual capacitor we have total 3 terminal and 2 capacitor range. You can see this capacitor has 3 terminal and capacitor range is 50 plus 4 microfarad. 50 microfarad for compressor and 4 microfarad for fan. Okay, first see how to check capacitor with electrical power supply. Okay, so for testing capacitor with electrical power supply, first power plug power switch is on. Now capacitor 2 wire connect in this socket. Okay, for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds touch both wire. Okay, if sound is high, okay, or loud, then you can say your capacitor is okay. Now capacitor is okay because sound is very high. And also we have one 15 microfarad capacitor connected to wire in this socket. After 2 seconds sound is very low. If sound is low, then you can say capacitor is weak. Okay, and also another way, 2 wire connect in socket and charge capacitor for 2 seconds. Okay, capacitor is charged, power is off. Okay, and after that touch both wire. If sound is high, then you can say your capacitor is okay. Now another 15 microfarad capacitor, switch is on, charge for 2 seconds. Okay, after that the first switch is off. After switching off, short both wire. Okay, if sound is low, then you can say your capacitor is weak. If sound is high, then you can say your capacitor is okay. By checking capacitor with electrical power supply, you cannot confirm your capacitor is okay or defective. You can just take idea. But checking with multimeter, you can say 100% your capacitor is okay or defective. First set multimeter on capacitance. In this capacitance, a microfarad range should be given. Okay, now checking this 15 microfarad capacitor, just hold both lead for at least 5 seconds. Okay, after 5 seconds you can say rating is 15 microfarad. Capacitor actual rating is 15 microfarad and plus minus 5% you can assume. Okay, for tolerance. This capacitor also 15 microfarad, 15.27, and you can assume plus minus 5%. Now this capacitor is 15 microfarad. Hold the lead at least for 5 seconds. Okay, after 5 seconds it is showing 6.45 microfarad. Okay, for 5% tolerance 0.75 microfarad, so it should show at least 14 microfarad, but it is weak. Its actual range is 15 microfarad, but it is showing 6 microfarad. That means this capacitor is weak. Okay, so you can confirm. And also it is 10 microfarad capacitor. Check for 5 seconds and it is showing 10.26 microfarad, so it is actual good capacitor. 5% tolerance you can assume for plus minus. And also it is 4 microfarad capacitor and it is showing 1.2 microfarad. That means this capacitor is also weak. Its actual range is 4 microfarad and it is showing 1.2 microfarad, so it is also weak. Check another capacitor. This capacitor is 45 microfarad. Okay, after checking for 5 seconds it is showing 45.91 microfarad. That means this capacitor is also in good condition. Plus minus 5% you can assume for tolerance. Okay, it is dual capacitor with 36 plus 2 microfarad. Okay, in this capacitor we have total 3 terminal. You can see in first terminal we have total 4 connector. Okay, this has 4 connectors, so common 3 connector, it's horn, and 2 connector for compressor. Okay, so for testing, first one lead put on common and second lead on horn. Okay, and it should show at least 36 microfarad. but it is showing in nanofarad. Okay, in nanofarad, that means this capacitor compressor range or horn range is defective. Okay, and also in common to compressor or fan, it is showing 2 microfarad. That means fan capacitor is okay, but compressor capacitor is defective. 2 microfarad capacitor is okay, 36 microfarad is defective. Okay, check another capacitor. First put one lead on common and another lead on horn. Okay, so yellow lead is common and red lead is horn. Okay, so check, and it should show at least 50 microfarad cap, but it is not showing, it is just showing nanofarad. Put lead for at least 5 to 10 seconds, after that reading will show. And common to fan, it is also showing in nanofarad. So it's a fan capacitor and also compressor capacitor, both are defective. Okay, 50 plus 4 microfarad, so both capacitor is defective. We have one more, and first put one lead on common and another lead on horn. After 5 seconds or 10 seconds, it is showing, you can see it is showing 51 microfarad. Okay, 51 microfarad, that means its compressor capacitor is okay. Now put one lead common to fan, it is showing 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad, that means this capacitor compressor capacitor is okay, also fan capacitor is okay. Take reading from common to horn and common to fan. So I hope you clear the concept of how to check capacitor with electrical power supply and with multimeter. If you like this video, please press like button. For today is enough.